Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Vari. Friends, today I will show you how to add a RAM monitor in your status bar in your micromax mobile phone. You can see there is one RAM monitor is running in my status bar, which is the fifth option from left hand side. There are two readings. You can see one is upper, one is the presently RAM is used by my mobile phone, and lower one is the total RAM of my mobile phone, which is 2935. Actually, the in written on my mobile phone RAM is 3 GB, and you can see there is a 2935 MB is my presently mobile phone RAM, and out of this 1860 RAM is used by my mobile phone. You can monitor your RAM in, you can see your mobile phone RAM uses in your status bar without any third party app. This is my mobile phone internal function. You do not need any third party apps to enable this. You have to go to setting and enable this RAM monitor in your setting. First of all, I will show you. I am using a micromax mobile phone. I will show you. Okay, go to the setting and go down, click on about phone, which is the last option in your mobile phone, and you can see I'm using a micromax mobile phone. Is the third option from upper side. You can see model number is written micromax and Android version is 5.1. You can see I'm using micromax mobile phone, and I will show you how to add this RAM monitor in your status bar without any third party app. Friends, you can download third party apps which will give you the RAM speed, monitoring your RAM, but not sure they will give you the exact reading because they are third party apps. But this is your internal mobile phone function which will give you the exact reading of your RAM. Okay friends, let's start. First of all, you have to go to the setting, click on the setting, then come down and click on accessibility. This is the fourth option from down below. You can see accessibility. Just click on this option and click on this first option, depth check, which you can see is the first option. Just click on this first option and then click on the settings. You can see the setting on right hand corner, upper corner. You can see the setting option is written there. Just click on this setting. You can see this window. After clicking on that setting, you have to switch on the RAM monitor, which is the third option from down below. You have to switch off this RAM monitor. I will which is already switched on in my mobile phone. When I switching off this RAM monitor, you can see the RAM monitor disappeared from my status bar, and when I am switching on this RAM monitor, you can see the RAM monitor is again appeared on my status bar. And there are few more options. You can see the third option, which is snap to status bar. If you switch off this option, your RAM monitor will come to your main screen from your status bar. I will show you. I'm going to switch off this snap to status bar. You will see your RAM monitor will shift to main screen from your status bar. You can see the RAM monitor is shifted. Now at here I can drag this RAM monitor to anywhere with my finger touch. I'm dragging this anywhere, and once it come on your main screen, you can use this first two options, which is transparency and text size. Now you can use these two options. You can see as transparency increasing and decreasing with my finger touch, and you can increase or decrease the size of your text by clicking on text size. You can see the text size of this RAM monitor is increasing and decreasing. This is your internal function, friends. And the fourth option, you can see the click through. If your click through is off, then you cannot click any options which comes behind of your this RAM monitor. For clicking that option, you have to first shift your RAM monitor to other place, then only you can click the options which comes behind of your this RAM monitor. If your click through is on, then you can click everything which comes behind of your RAM monitor, but you cannot move your RAM monitor to anywhere. If click through is off, then you can move your RAM monitor to anywhere on your screen, but if your click through is off, then on, then you cannot move this your RAM monitor to anywhere, but you can click everything which comes behind of your RAM monitor. And I will show you. I am clicking through. Now I will I can use the transparency option. You can see I am using this transparency option, which is comes behind of this my RAM monitor. Because I am only able to use this option because my click through is on. If I am switching off this option, then I cannot use this. When I am trying to use this, my RAM monitor is moving here and there. First of all, I have to shift my RAM monitor to any other place, then only I can use these transparency options. So friends, hope you understand every functions of this RAM monitor. For placing this snap to status bar in your status bar, your snap to status bar should be on and click through should be off. Only then you can place your RAM monitor in your status bar, because if your click through is on, then you cannot move your RAM monitor to anywhere, and you cannot place this in your status bar. For placing your RAM monitor in your status bar, you have to drag your RAM monitor up to your status bar and leave there. This will automatically adjust merge in your status bar, and you have to keep your left upper corner where you want to keep your RAM monitor in your status bar. Just place your left corner at there. I will show you how it work. You can see I am dragging this RAM monitor to up to my status bar. As soon as it RAM monitor touch to your status bar, it will merge in your status bar automatically, and where it will merge where your left hand side corner will touch to your status bar. Okay, I will show you. I am dragging this up to your status bar. You will see. Friends, again go to the setting. You can see it is merged at a wrong place. For again, if you want to take this out, you have to take this out, and again place this at other place. You have to decrease some size of this test size, and now try to place it by touching your left hand side corner at where you want to place. You can see I am touching my left hand side corner at oh sorry friends, I have to switch on this snap to status bar, which I have switched off. Go to setting and switch on this snap to status, and you can see my my RAM monitor is merged into my status bar. Friends, hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, so whenever I'm placing new post, you will be able to see first my post. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.